How to fix Instagram account temporarily locked. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix your Instagram account if it is locked temporarily. Now, your account might get locked for various reasons. It might be that Instagram suspected you of some suspicious activities, or that it suspected that you have been using third-party app. You might want to delete it. Now, if your account is temporarily locked, it will get unlocked within 24 hours usually. But if you waited and it doesn't help, then all you need to do, head into your browser and search for Instagram account disabled firm. And here, you'll get the link. Click on continue, and here, type in your name, your email address, your issue, and you can attach some files with it and click on send. This way you can contact the Instagram support team and they might get back to you within 24 hours or so. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.